tablet unboxing. Gave me a damaged box. Sealed. Everybody's copying Apple. Base with the speaker, with the plug right here. Ooh, how do you carefully open this? Oof, that hurt. Pretty light. And they do not come factory charged. Oh, yes they do. Pretty smooth. Wow. I would say just what you would expect from a Google Pixel product. Very clean, very smooth operation. I'm barely touching the screen. Okay. Let's see what the sounds like. Does this work? Okay, there's something wrong with my internet. Disconnect, connect. Let's forget. Go with the 5G. Okay. The Spectrum internet sucks. Let's try connecting to this one again. Okay, so far it's not connecting to any of my Wi-Fi connections. And I do not think this is my Wi-Fi. Now it just connected to one of them. A server error problem. They're using an older version of YouTube. It takes 1 minute. Update. Okay, why won't you update? You do not want to sign into the Play Store. out of this video because I played a video off of YouTube, forgetting I do not have a content ID for the song that I played. I wanted you guys to hear the sound from the speakers, and the speakers really didn't impress. It sounded just like it was coming out of the tablet. It didn't add any extra sound or decibels to it. I was not impressed with the sound system at all. The speaker also, when you attach the tablet to it, if you're not careful, you're sliding it up and down, and it's creating little scratches on the back. So you have to be extra careful when you're placing the tablet on the speaker. And it has a AC plug. It does not have the C-type plug, which also is a negative for me, because now you have to lug around 2 chargers if you're carrying the speaker with the tablet. Let's see if I can connect to my high-speed internet. That is odd. Forget. I want to check the speed on this thing, but I mean, nothing really spectacular about this at all. Aside from switching is fluid. I like how it switches screen to screen. Like I said, I'm barely touching the screen, just tapping. Well, I don't know about everybody else, but even if I don't own it, I like to turn on developer options. You never know when you need that access. Close, close, close. If I was gonna rate this, I'd give it a B minus. Let's check the camera. Wow. That is not bad. Let's check the front camera. It is not bad at all. Add a creative blur to moving objects in the scene. Hold your camera still to capture looking photos with a tripod. Long exposure. I like the camera. I am impressed with the camera. I might give this a B+. Nightstand. The sound did not impress me at all. And I don't like the plastic feel to the back. I feel like if we try to open these, it might crack. Does it take a SIM card? Wi-Fi only. I think I knew that already, but you need to have a SIM card option. Look at that. This cannot be for my counter. I don't know if you could see that right there. That could be from putting it on the speaker. Easily scratchable. Easily. Trying to get a good angle on it. Maybe we need some more light. Yeah, you see those scratches? That's from trying to mount it on a speaker. Just lowered the grade from brand new to now just new. Yeah, they still got work to do. This is for sale. How do you turn it off now?
That you'll need to connect to a Wi-Fi network first.
Bitch.
Your device is offline.
There you have it.